If you're planning a cruise to Hawaii and don't know where to start, this video is for you. We've put together the perfect 7-day Hawaii cruise itinerary to help you experience the best islands, beaches, and scenery the Hawaiian Islands have to offer, from volcanic landscapes and lush coastlines to laid-back island towns. This trip feels like paradise from start to finish. Why Hawaii? Hawaii is one of the most unique cruise destinations in the world. You're sailing between islands, not countries, and every stop feels completely different. One day you're walking through a tropical beach town, the next you're standing near a volcano or driving through a rainforest. If you've never cruised Hawaii before, trust me, this one belongs on your bucket list. This is what you're going to want to pack. Hawaii is warm year-round, so light clothing is key. Bring comfortable walking shoes, breathable outfits, swimwear, sunscreen, and a hat. A small backpack is great for beach days and excursions. A refillable water bottle helps, especially on warmer islands. And don't forget a camera. Hawaii is one of those places where your phone alone won't do it justice. Now let's get into day 1. Your journey begins in Honolulu on the island of Oahu. Once on board, explore the ship, unpack, and get familiar with everything. If you arrive early, take time to walk Waikiki Beach or grab food nearby. As the ship sets sail, head out on deck and enjoy your first sunset on the Pacific. This is when the vacation really starts. Day 2 brings you to Maui, one of the most loved islands in all of Hawaii. This island is known for its beautiful beaches, warm weather, and relaxed pace. It's the kind of place where you immediately feel like you're on vacation. This is a great day to spend near the ocean. Many people choose to relax on the beach, go for a swim, or simply enjoy the views along the coast. Maui is also perfect for scenic drives where you can follow the shoreline and take in the blue water, palm trees, and rolling hills. A popular area to visit is Lahaina, a small beach town with shops, restaurants, and places to walk along the water. Others book snorkeling trips to see tropical fish and clear, shallow water. Maui has a calm, easygoing feel, and it's the perfect way to ease into island cruising without feeling rushed. Day 3 takes you to Hilo, located on the big island of Hawaii. This side of the island feels very different from the rest of the week. It's greener, quieter, and surrounded by nature. Hilo is known for its waterfalls, thick forest, and dramatic scenery. Many travelers visit Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, where you can see wide lava fields and land shaped by past eruptions. The view here feels raw and powerful, and unlike anything you'll see anywhere else. If you prefer a slower pace, Hilo is also a great place to explore small shops, walk near the water, or enjoy the peaceful coastline. This day feels more relaxed and natural, making it a nice change of pace from busy beach towns. Day 4 brings you to Kona, on the opposite side of the big island. Kona is sunnier and drier with warm weather and clear skies most of the year. This side of the island is all about beaches, ocean activities, and laid-back island life. Many visitors choose to snorkel, take a boat tour, or spend time near the water. Kona is also famous for its coffee farms, which you'll see as you explore the area. Everything here moves at a slower pace, and it's easy to relax and enjoy the day without a packed schedule. Kona is often a tender port, which means smaller boats bring you ashore. It usually runs smoothly, but it's smart to plan a little extra time. Once you're on land, the calm atmosphere makes it well worth the effort. Day 5 brings you to Kauai, often called the Garden Island. This is one of the most scenic stops of the entire cruise, and a favorite for many travelers. Kauai is known for its lush green mountains, tall cliffs, and waterfalls that seem to appear everywhere you look. The island feels peaceful, natural, and less developed than the others. Many visitors choose helicopter tours or boat rides to see the coastline from the air or the water. Others simply enjoy the beaches or take short drives to scenic lookout points. No matter what you choose, Kauai feels calm and untouched, making it one of the most memorable stops of the trip. Day 6 is your sea day, and it's a welcome slowdown. After several busy port days, this is your chance to relax and enjoy the ship. Spend time by the pool, grab a coffee, walk the deck, or catch up on photos and videos from the week. This is also a great day to enjoy the ship's restaurants, shows, or spa. Hawaii cruises are all about balance. You get exciting island days mixed with calm time on the ocean, and this sea day helps you reset before the trip comes to an end. Your final day brings you to Honolulu, on the big island of Oahu. If you're flying home the same day, plan carefully, but if you can stay overnight, it's absolutely worth it. Spending time exploring Oahu, walking along Waikiki Beach, or enjoying one last Hawaiian meal, this is the moment where the entire trip really sinks in. After a week of island hopping, ocean views, and unforgettable scenery, ending your cruise in Honolulu feels complete. It's the perfect way to wrap up a Hawaii cruise you'll remember for a long time. Here's a quick cruise line breakdown. Norwegian Cruise Line is the most popular option for Hawaii cruises, offering inter-island sailings with no sea days between islands. Other cruise lines offer longer itineraries that include ocean crossings, which feel more like a traditional cruise experience. Every option shows you the same islands. It just depends on how much time you want at sea. We hope you guys enjoyed this travel video, and we'll see you in the next Barjack's travel video.